Here's a 2018 GMC Yukon. The best ability for your next vehicle is capability, and this Yukon has it. It comes with great features you love. V8 engine, dual zone climate control, integrated navigation system, auto-dimming rearview mirror, heated steering wheel, Wi-Fi hotspot, entertainment system with Blu-ray, hands-free liftgate, memory exterior door mirror settings, and heated and ventilated leather bucket seats. Of the Yukon, the Car Connection puts forth it has the power and capability to haul up to 9 passengers, their stuff, and the family boat. GMC, it's not just a vehicle, it's a professional-grade tool. They say a journey begins with one step. In this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
Looking for an unbeatable deal? Come to Bale Chevrolet. We look forward to helping you at Bale Chevrolet.